Then we are currently running an online business center which we established in January 2009. It has a dedicated toll-free number which you see on all our hoardings, which is 1-800-425-4055. This center is currently functional from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays, and we are shortly planning to make this round the clock. But meanwhile, today also customers can contact OLBC through phone, which is the number I just read out, email, which is mysbh@sbhyd.co.in, SMS, which is 8900022244, and can seek information on various products, services, both deposits and advances, location and telephone numbers of branches, ATMs, interest rates, and etc. This center assists clients with the usage of bank's alternate delivery channels, which is very important. We get a number of calls related to alternate channels, that is ATMs, internet banking, mobile banking, etc., RTGS, NIFT, and this center is able to guide the customers with regard to the issues. And customers also register their grievances with OLBC. OLBC sends out new product information to clients through SMS, and ongoing innovations we are doing in this area. Recently, all the customized checkbooks which are issued to our clients in urban and metro centers through our liability central processing center, the SMS for the issuance goes out immediately to the client that your checkbook has been issued. So like this, we are doing a number of innovations through the OLBC. The success and popularity of OLBC can be judged by the fact that we receive over 500 customers contact OLBC on a daily basis. This can be either through telephone or SMS or email. And the customer grievance redressal time has been effectively reduced by us from 8 days in 2008 to just 3.7 days as on date. Now, to take OLBC to the next level, we have now introduced an SMS facility, feedback. The customer can, just by SMSing feedback, nothing else, the customer can expect a customer care representative to call them within 24 hours. The feedback could relate to any one of the following, that is, it could be a grievance, it could be they require a product information, or it could be a suggestion. Now, previously, till yesterday, let's say the product information could be sought by SMSing gold and that number, or home loan on that number, or car and that number. The customer needed to know what he had to type in. But today it's an omnibus feedback. He just has to type in feedback. So that makes it so much simpler and easier for customers, and also any suggestions customer wants to give.